Wise versus Revolut online bank account, which is better? Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be comparing Wise and Revolut. I'll go through the services that they offer, the similarities, and how they differ. Hopefully by the end of this video, you'll be able to choose which platform is the right one for you. Now, if you want to follow along this video and create a Wise account for free, click the link provided in the description box down below to create your own free Wise account. Now, let's get into it. Now, the first thing we need to know is what exactly is Wise and Revolut. Well, both aren't built like traditional banks. They are known as fintechs. They are a regulated financial company, so no worries about being robbed of your money. These companies are regulated by the FCA, which is the Financial Conduct Authority, and the money is stored by larger financial institutions like Barclays, Elliott Bank, and Wells Fargo. If anything happens and both companies go downhill, you're assured that your money will be returned to you. Both apps share a lot of similarities and both have a free physical and virtual payment, debit, card, and multi-currency accounts. Both offer you account balances in many different currencies and are transparent with their fees. Both can offer you fast, cheap, and reliable transactions, sometimes even free of charge, and both of these platforms have a high customer satisfaction rate. So what exactly is the difference and which one should you opt for? Well, Wise offers more amount in terms of account details through its multi-currency account. Revolut offers a number of paid plans that include lots of different benefits such as travel insurance, car hire access, ticket promotion, and more. In the UK, you can have your money put into a fund that invests in a large company if you want to via your Revolut account. Now, if we take a look at transactional fee fees on both of these platforms, which can be a determining factor for a lot of people, it's important to note that these fees come with services such as Wise and Revolut. The fees vary depending on your location as well. Now, if we take a look at some of these examples over here, these are going to be different. So I am located in the UK, then my fees are going to be different as to someone located in Canada or the US. Fees come in twofold: exchange rates and service charges. Both platforms offer real-time and exact exchange rates compared to traditional banks. Wise offers the exact mid-market exchange rate, which you're not going to find on a lot of other platforms. With Revolut, weekend transfers may collect a higher fee regardless of your paid plan. And if you exceed your paid plan's fee-free limit on any day of the week, you will incur a fee. Now, Revolut plans consist of the standard plan at £1,000 and the plus plan at £1,000 as well, and the premium and metal plans are unlimited Monday through Friday. This means that Wise is the cheaper option for sending money internationally. So if you're looking for primary international transactions, Wise would be a better option because in general, you're going to get the mid-rate and at any transaction, plus you don't have to pay a membership, so it's usually a lot easier. But let's take a look at ATM withdrawal fees because both of these platforms offer you a card that you can create. So when withdrawing a large sum of money in foreign currency from an ATM, your best bet would be Revolut because Wise only offers 2 free fee withdrawals per month. So these would be withdrawals that don't have any kind of transactional fee. However, if you go on to Revolut's Plus, Premium, and Metal plans, you can withdraw money as often as you want without incurring a fee, but there is a monthly limit. On the Plus plan, it's €20. On the Premium plan, it's €400, and on the Metal plan, it's €800. Now, which platform is better for receiving money? As for receiving money, Wise is the better choice. Users have the option to make multi-currency accounts. They can share their bank details for a specific country and receive money without incurring any fees. And for those who are working abroad, they can hold and convert money in over 50 currencies and send money over in over 80 currencies. Revolut offers local bank details for sterling and euro in selected European countries, as well as SWIFT accounts that allow you to receive money of different currencies. Unlike Wise, Revolut only provides access to 10 different countries, and you will be charged if you exceed your plan's allowance for international transfers. However, Wise wouldn't charge you for that unless you're signing a very huge sum of money that is hundreds and thousands or millions of dollars. Otherwise, you are safe on buys. Now, if we take a look at customer satisfaction on both of these platforms look out for their customers. If you take a look at the reviews of both of these platforms, they are pretty good on Trustpilot. Both have a similar rating of 4.3 and 4.2 for Vize. So both of these are amazing applications with the occasional glitch or two. Now, there are some downsides to both of these platforms. Users often complain about Revolut and how it surcharges them on weekends even if they're on the middle plan, which is the highest plan in their plan tier. Some accounts are also getting blocked and users are experiencing transfer delays on Revolut, where Revolut holds their money for a longer period of time than as is necessary. As for Vize, there are also a number of complaints mentioning delays and a long waiting time for their verification. However, Vize has now automated their verification, where if you upload a piece of verification, such as your driver's license, and you upload a selfie of yourself and your image can be scanned and matched, they will verify your account within a couple of hours. Now, if we were to summarize both of these platforms, both of these are great for a all-in-one platform. If you're looking for the lowest transactional fees and you want your daily in and out money, you are definitely going to opt towards Vize. Now, if you're looking for a quick, easy to use account that allows you to have the lowest transactional fees, Vize is going to be your standout option. Simply because it doesn't have any registration or fee plans. You can use it for free and you can get started any day. Plus, with Vize, you can get your debit or credit card and you have two options where 2 times you can have a transaction without any fees. So that can be a great way to get started. However, with Revolut, there are certain benefits when you are subscribing to a plan and you are able to withdraw more frequently with your card. Now, with Revolut, it's not reliable on the weekends, and with Vize, withdrawing money per month is not going to be highly available. So if you're someone that's looking to primarily use your account online, then Vize would be better for you. However, if you're primarily going to rely on your debit or credit card, Revolut might be the better option for you as well. However, for an online banking account, Vize is going to be easier to use without having to pay any kind of fee to get started, and you don't have a lot of transactional fees and the perfect midpoint in currency exchanges provided to you directly. So if you want to start sending or receiving money online, sign up on Vize for free by clicking the link provided in the description box down below. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video.